is the time to be planting your fall bulbs so they bloom in the spring. But today we're going to teach you how to trick some of them into blooming earlier. Linda Naeve from Ryman Gardens is with me. And Linda, what does it mean to force bulbs?
Well, Liz, when we force a bulb, we're forcing this flower to bloom outside of its natural bloom time. So what we're doing is we're planting it here in the fall, and we're going to force it into bloom in the winter rather than waiting till spring. And it's a real easy procedure.
Okay, now there are certain bulbs that do better?
They do. They're daffodils, tulips, crocus, and hyacinth really do the best for forcing because they result in a uniform product and they bloom beautifully. When looking for bulbs, too, you want to look for large, firm bulbs that have no blemishes because the quality of your end product is a true reflection of what you put into that container.
Okay, so once we have our bulbs, how do we do this?
Well, the next thing we do is we select about a 5 or 6 inch pot, and in that we can put about 5 tulip bulbs. The key is with whatever we're planting is that we don't want them to touch the edge or each other. So we fill the pot with a good loose potting soil to about 3/4 full. Add your tulip bulbs. With tulips, we want the flat side facing the pot, and with daffodils, it doesn't really matter. Then fill it in with soil so that just the tips are covered. Add a good watering so that it drains out the drainage hole, and then put the label in. And now we're ready for cold storage, which means an old refrigerator or an unheated basement or a heated garage, somewhere where we can maintain about 40 to 45 degrees. And after 14-week hibernation, you'll see little greenish yellow sprouts coming up. Now's the time to take them out. Gradually increase the amount of light you give them, and in about 4 weeks in full sun, they'll be beautiful for you.
Now that sounds great for the dead of winter.
Yes, it does.
And if you would like more information on forcing bulbs, be sure to log on to our websites. For Gardening in the Zone, I'm Liz Gilman.